I just do some Molly. What else?
This how the girls be doing it. What is up, YouTube? It's your girl Brila K in this thing, man. And today we got a beautiful Friday. I'm actually seeing a trade idea play out right now. I know exactly what I'm looking for. We just gonna be patient. That's a key, y'all. A key is to know exactly what you're looking for. The key isn't to make money. The key is to know exactly what you're looking for and hop in, you know what I'm saying? So before this plays out, it hasn't really formed yet what I want to see. Right now I want to see a fair value gap, but I want to start telling y'all what these videos gonna be about. So all I do is I come on and I show y'all what I see in the markets and show y'all how I like to get in. It's been doing good these past couple months. I found a strategy that I really like. Yeah, so I guess that's what this video is about. What I see, how I take the trade, yeah, and y'all see if it works out or not. This is becoming a trade idea, but before it plays out, I'm gonna show y'all what I see. So I start off on a weekly to make sure we're not having any interference with anything. All I see on a weekly is this disrespected fair value gap. Usually when it comes here to this fair value gap, this is a bearish fair value gap, but instead of it being bearish when it returned, it shot up as a bullish candle. So that means we're disrespecting a bearish. That means we're doing the opposite, which is bullish mostly. So I have a bullish bias for the most part. Come down to the daily, make sure we're not doing anything. On the daily, I see that we left a very big bullish fair value gap right here. So I'm keeping note of that. It may want to return to this area, however far, and then continue up. That's an option. Okay, then I go down to the 4 hour. I didn't really see much. I did mark this high because usually the markets like to return to highs. Like here, came up, returned to this high right here. Came up, returned to this high, or close to it, you know. So it likes to return to previous highs and use it to come higher. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I didn't see much on the 15-minute. On the 5-minute, I do all my 5-minute entries. What I see is the markets were doing a uptrend, then it took a break to do a bearish downtrend. And what I like to see V's, man, V's. So I like, if the markets do an uptrend, why are they doing it? I like to see a nice little break, and then so this would be a V right here. So I like to see stuff like that, and I like to watch to see how it leaves. So right now it's leaving this area. It came down bullish. Now it left a liquidity candle, so that's a sign that we may want to continue down, but I'm just waiting. What I like to see fair value gaps. So there was one here. There's one here. We're gonna see what it does. I would have got in the markets if I saw a fair value gap around here, a bullish fair value gap, because this is one. I usually like to see two fair value gaps. Right now I don't see anything, so on the 15-minute I like to see sharp turns, but I don't see any sharp turns. Was this a fair value gap? No. Okay, it's looking like it's still trying to play out. So we're going to be patient, wait for a good clear setup, which is usually a fair value gap. So let's see.
I just do some Molly. What else?
Alright, y'all, so see a trade. Now I'm not gonna lie, I'm not the most confident when it comes to breakouts. Like right here would be a breakout. I like it when it try to do the opposite, when it was actually liquidity. But we gonna take a risk today. I could either be right, I could be wrong, but this is what I'm looking at. Let's see, what time is it? Let's see. I entered on the second fair value gap. So this was the first fair value gap. This is a fair value area. This is the second fair value gap that it looks like it's forming. Now looks can be deceiving, but I usually like to target at 1 to 5. You know, none too big, none too big. I usually like to give candles like 3-4 minutes before I like to hop in or consider this a fair value gap. You know what I'm saying? I think I'm going to hop in. See, I am going to do, I'm gonna try 7 contracts. Let me go over here and see what 7 would be, because 7, that would be 248. Ooh, that's kind of high. That'll work though. 7, I'm gonna do 6. 6. Bye. You know what? I'm not a fan of how it left this area. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. Whatever. We'll just hop in wherever it's actually trying to go. It's okay. Bye. Wait. I hate how it left. It should be strong. Should I wait for a second fair value gap, y'all? You know what? Whatever. Mama ain't raised no. You know what I'm saying? 267. 12. Okay. A little something. And we in the trade, y'all. Hopefully it don't just reverse. If it do, whatever. The markets be trying to play with you. You know, it can't go straight up. So just because it looks like it's trying to go down, don't let it deter you. Especially not on a Friday. Fridays are usually continuation days. I'm gonna let y'all know that. Friday usually goes one way for a long time, and then it can switch. So you don't really know when the switch is gonna happen, but usually it likes to go one way for a while. Just letting y'all know. I'm a little nervous though about this trade because we're at all-time highs, so you don't really know how high it's gonna go, honestly. But even if this reversed all the way back, I still followed my rules. That's all that matters to me, is that I follow my rules. Now whether it win or lose, I have no control over. As long as I follow my rules, I live to learn another day. Ooh, tap me out, tap me in, tap me out, tap me in, whatever you want to call it. You're right there. Come on. Hey. Come on now. Why you trim? Wake up. There you go. A little more. One more time for me. I finna say. This how the girls be doing it. Man, it's only 9:44 and we won a trade. I should have risked a little more. I should have went ahead and went with the 7 contracts, but it's okay. Slow and steady wins the race, y'all. Shoot, I hope y'all enjoyed. It might go up even further. I probably should have went for a 1 to 2. This would be 1 to 2. I could have did a little more, huh? But we don't look at what we could have did. We look at what we did and adjust. I might start doing 1 and 2s on Fridays. I love Fridays, y'all. So simple. Beautiful trade, beautiful trade. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Leave any questions you guys got for me down in the comments. And thank y'all for watching. Peace out. Yeah, I seem to like it when I note my trades. So I go to my Notion. Here go all my trades. All my trades since this challenge. I've taken more, but these are all the trades since I started my challenge. So come in. Today is Friday. I did a buy for 6 contracts. Follow my rules, definitely. Yeah, that's very important. Fair value gap. How much I made? I made $262 on that one. Could have made more, but it's okay. We learning. I had a 62 stop loss. Give a small explanation. What happened? Price was at all-time highs. Was very bullish. Then made a bearish fair value area in which I took buys when it left that area with a bullish fair value. TP hit link. Make sure it's the right link. Yeah, and boom, that's it. All right.